Hello everyone, Shravan Manthri here. Welcome to our channel CSE GURUS. We are solving Hackerrank problems. In the algorithm section, we are going for subdomain warm-up. We are done with these questions and the next question is plus minus. We will see this question. If you are not able to get the question, I have given the link in the description. You can check it out. Given an array of integers, calculate the ratios of its elements that are positive, negative and 0. You must check it out how many elements are positive here, how many negative and how many are zeros. For example, if you take here 1, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1. So 2 elements are positive and you have to find the ratio which is 2 out of total elements are 5. 2 by 5 which is 0.4 like this. And how many negative elements? Again 2, minus 1, minus 1. So 0.4. And how many zeros? Only 1. That's why 1 out of 5 which is 0.2. But the constraint it is giving, when you want to print the output must be a decimal precision number which has to take totally 6 precisions. Here you can see it is asking on a separate line with 6 digits after decimal each value. So you have to print 3 values. 3 must be printed with 6 precisions. If you take another example, minus 4, 3, minus 9, 0, 4, 1, there are 3 positive numbers out of 6. So 3 by 6 which is 2, 3 by 6 which is 1 by 2 which is 0.5, and negative numbers only 2 out of 6 which is 0.3 like this, and only 1 0, 1 out of 6 which is 0.166 like this. The logic is simple here. We have to iterate the total array or list by taking each and every element one by one and check it out, is it a positive number or negative number or 0. How to check it out? A positive number means definitely that element, if I take it as a of I, must be greater than 0. It's a positive number. Increase the count of positive. If it is not greater than 0, check it out, is it less than 0, which means it's a negative number. Increase the count of negative. If it is not greater than 0, if it is not less than 0, which means it is equals to 0, which means increase the count of z, which is zeros. Finally, getting the answer, after getting the answer, just divide the values like p and n and z, divide with total number of elements. Let us suppose it is take as n. But how to get this precision? We will see that in the coding. We will try to write the code in Python. The method here we need to write plus minus arr. Arr is a list of elements which we have. Here I have taken 3 variables, p, n, z. P for counting the positive numbers, n for counting the negative numbers, z for counting the zeros. All 3 are initialized to 0. Now checking in the array for I in arr. For each we are taking what is I, each element in the array. It's not index, it's an each element if you write like this. If it is greater than 0, yes, p count will be incremented. If less than 0, n count will be incremented. Otherwise it is 0, so z count will be incremented. Now after getting the count, how to print with respect to precision? You have a method called as round. Here you can see the method where if I get p value as something like 3 out of how many? Length of the array. So let us suppose if the length is 6, 3 by 6 which is 1 by 2 which is 0.5 is the answer. But how many precisions you want? You want to round it to up to 6. The method round, you have to write the value and how many precisions you want. So 6 precision. That's why here you need to mention 6. If you need 8 precisions, you mention here 8. Similarly for the negative count, n by total number of elements. If it is 2 is there, 2 by 6 like this you need to take, and how many precisions you want? 6 like this. Let us suppose if there are 8 elements where 4 are positive numbers, you can write 4 out of 8. Anyway 6 is the precision that you want. And again like that z also. So all these 3 you are printing. After print, anyway it goes to the next line, so that's why it will print in the next line. So like this you can use the method called as round, where you have to mention what is the value and how many precisions that you need. When it is divided, how many precisions you need to have, so that you need to mention here. We will try to execute this, run the code. Yes, success. Submit the code. All the given 11 test cases are passed. So that's what we have written the code perfect. And also I recommend you to watch the top 90 data structure MCQs, and here I kept totally 18 videos which is of 5 MCQs each video. Even I kept all those 90 questions as a single video, that is top 90 data structures MCQs. You can watch this one also, which is almost 4 hours. You can see each one. You can either go for playlist or you can watch it as a single video. We will see the next question, staircase, in the next video lecture. Thank you.